Hello friends. In the last video on multiple regression analysis, we had seen best subsets regression to identify models that adequately fit your data with as few predictors as possible by a practical example. After conducting best subsets regression and considering all statistics, we had seen that the best two predictor model included the variables north and south, and the best three predictor added the variable east. In this video, we are going to learn the use of multiple regression analysis to analyze the impact of these three predictors on our response heat flux. I am going to explain this important tool in Minitab for easy understanding and better clarity. So, let's begin. Perform multiple regression in Minitab. To conduct the multiple regression, please follow the steps. 1. Select Stat. Regression. Regression. And then fit regression model. 2. In responses, enter heat flux. 3. In continuous predictors, enter east, south, and north. 4. Click graphs. 5. Under residuals for plots, select standardized. 6. Under residual plots, select 4 in 1. This includes histogram of residuals, normal probability plot of the residuals, residuals versus fits, and residuals versus order. 7. Click OK in each dialog box to get the results. We will get the results both in session window and graph window. Interpretation of the results. Session window output. The p-value for the regression model in the analysis of variance table is 0.000. This shows that the model estimated by the regression procedure is significant at the level of 0.05. This indicates that at least one coefficient is different from 0. The p-values for the estimated coefficients of north and south are both 0.000, indicating that they are significantly related to heat flux. The p-value for east is 0.092, indicating that it is not related to heat flux at the level of 0.05. Additionally, the sequential sum of squares indicates that the predictor east doesn't explain a substantial amount of unique variance. This suggests that a model with only north and south may be more appropriate. The variance inflation factors are all close to 1, which indicates that the predictors are not correlated. VIF values greater than 5 to 10 suggest that the regression coefficients are poorly estimated due to severe multicollinearity. The R-square value indicates that the predictors explain 87.41% of the variance in heat flux. The adjusted R-square is 85.90%, which accounts for the number of predictors in the model. Both values indicate that the model fits the data well. The predicted R-square value is 78.96%. Because the predicted R-square value is close to the R-square and adjusted R-square values, the model does not appear to overfit and has an adequate predictive ability. The observations 4 and 22 are identified as unusual because the absolute value of the standardized residuals is greater than 2. This may indicate they are outliers. See checking your model, identifying outliers, and selecting a residual type. Graph window output. The histogram indicates that outliers may exist in the data, shown by the two bars on the far right side of the plot. The normal probability plot shows an approximately linear pattern consistent with a normal distribution. The 2 points in the upper right corner of the plot may be outliers. By brushing, the graph identifies these points as 4 and 22. These are the same points that are labeled unusual observations in the output. See checking your model and identifying outliers. The plot of residuals versus the fitted values shows that the residuals get smaller, closer to the reference line, as the fitted values increase, which may indicate the residuals have non-constant variance. This is all about multiple regression analysis. We will see another important topic in the next video. For references, I have taken some part of this very detailed content from Minitab. Now to end, please like this video if you have found it useful. Add your valuable comments, share this video with your friend and colleagues to improve and refresh their knowledge. If you want to get updates of such videos from our channel, please do not forget to subscribe to it. Click on the bell icon and select to get all notifications. And finally, thank you for watching.